Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you the difference between registering services in the vehicle manufacturers portals and Digital-Servicebook. Let's register a service in Digital-Servicebook and one in the VMs portals. As you can see, logging into Digital-Servicebook is very easy to do. On Digital-Servicebook we are already registering the service. On the VM we have barely logged in. On Digital-Servicebook there are a few simple steps, and on the VM I am not even close to registering the service yet. On Digital-Servicebook I am attaching the invoice and the worksheet. That is not possible on the vehicle manufacturers portals. While I have just given VM permission to save our data and the customers, I am already in the middle of giving the customers access to their service history on Digital-Servicebook, which is quite unique. I'm also making sure that they return when the next service is due by sending them a reminder. Now the service has been registered on Digital-Servicebook. On the VMs portal, we still need to fill out data in their system. There are a lot of steps I need to go through which was unnecessary on Digital-Servicebook's portal. I need to be sure that I know what these icons mean before I click on them, and I need to be sure that I am registering the correct data so that the car owner will retain their warranty. A minute and a half after I registered the service on Digital-Servicebook, I have finally registered the service on the VMs. With Digital-Servicebook it is possible to edit registrations up to 30 days after you added it to the service plan. This is not possible to do so on the VMs. So what do you do if one of your colleagues makes an error in a registration on one of the VMs portals? You can register services a lot easier with an integration with one of our partners, services with just one click. More than 2,500 garages has chosen to work with Digital-Servicebook. Every day they secure data, documentation and make sure that the consumers can access their own data. The choice is yours to make.